For decades, architects have been forced to choose between style and durability for interior wall cladding, especially in high-traffic areas. But with Fundermax interior HPL panels, you will never have to sacrifice imagination or durability again. With a vast array of colors, wood grains, textures, and designs to choose from, you will have the design freedom to create the environment you envision. And with a wide variety of thicknesses and panel sizes, we have the right choices for any interior application. Like all of our panels, Fundermax interior panels are highly sustainable, containing 100% recycled content, and are manufactured responsibly. In fact, our panels are GreenGuard or GreenGuard Gold certified and are listed in the Mindful Materials Library. When it comes to durability, Fundermax phenolic panels set a new standard for interior use. By design, our panels cannot delaminate and are non-porous, resistant to impact, scratching, and graffiti, and stand up to even the most aggressive solvents, making these panels ideal for interior wall cladding in high-traffic areas, in lockers, office and restroom partitions, furniture, and more. Ready to unleash your creativity in your interior environment? Think imagination and durability. Think Fundermax. Fundermax, more than a panel.